Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here. I'm at a Walmart in Edmonton, or not Edmonton, Drumheller, Alberta actually, and lo and behold, they have the new Carcharodontosaurus and Stegosaurus mega destroyers. Now, I was not expecting these to come to Canada, let alone find them in Drumheller of all places. This is Dinosaur Central, so I thought, you know, they wouldn't actually have any of these on the shelves because, you know, so popular here. But no, look at that. They have them both. And that's just crazy. Like, look, the mouth is open. That's a totally new head mold. And this figure is phenomenal. Holy cow. I love the boxes too. Look, they've got a green trim on the Stegosaurus with the Toro and Darius, but on this one they have an orange trim with kind of red along the side there and the blue. So this one just says Jurassic World and this one says Camp Cretaceous. So that's cool that the box art varies. And look at, they've got capture gear as well. That is so cool. One for the head on the Carchar and one for the tail on the Stegosaurus. We're gonna see how much these figures are. We got Fierce Force, Wild Pack. I think they're the large scale ones, so they're that much, yeah. Oh, finally I got them. That's good that I need to get them from the States. I'm actually, like, this is terrific. So I'm gonna pick these up and expect a review on them soon. Again, I'm just blown away that they have them. This is like a squishy thing. It's pretty neat. On the back, they have each other without the capture gear and in a battle position. But yeah, very cool. Paint job is phenomenal on the Carchar. The color is based off of Jurassic World Evolution, which is so cool that they decided to use that. And I'm loving the paint on the Stegosaurus, very natural. That kind of bottom dirty muddy color on the stomachs, really great. And this section on the body where it twists, that's going to be a cool feature to test out. So I'm going to grab these suckers and we're gonna go buy them. Too bad they don't have the Fierce Force, but after seeing these, I'm pretty sure that the Fierce Force figures will be coming out soon. It does say that they are a lot cheaper than last wave's figures, so Fierce Force are 15, and before the, what were they called before? Whatever they were called before, they were like 17 or 18, which was crazy. So it's cool that the prices are dropping down. But yeah, again, just super glad to finally pick these up. I was super worried that I would have to get them from the States. I mean, there's nothing too wrong with that, but I'd have to ask friends down there and shipping and all that jazz. But no, there they are. Wow, that is incredible in person. Look at the eye. Oh, that's so good. They put a weird amount of detail into the paint. Like, they went above and beyond with these ones, which is special. Like, even the tail, look at that. It's got paint all the way down. Usually they don't really do paint on the tail, but you can tell they spent extra care and effort on these two in particular. You can see the capture gear. Sure, it's not painted, but look at all that detail on there. They've got padding around those openings, so the creators obviously were like, hey, the dinosaurs might, you know, get cut on the metal, so they put all this little padding on the sharp parts, which is super neat. And then on the Stegos, you can see it's a lot larger capture gear for the tail, very reminiscent of the Lost World figures, especially the Stegosaurus, because it had that restraint on the tail, so they definitely must have, if not taken that from, or inspiration from those figures in the Lost World lineup. Wow, that is pretty. So yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed. And again, if you didn't catch that, I live in Canada, so figures up here, the releases, the distribution kind of sucks. So just seeing anything at all is something for us. Wow. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this if you love watching the toy hunts that I do. And see you guys in the next video then. Bye-bye.